Have you ever noticed how every time you get paid, you feel rich for about 2 days and then suddenly you're broke again? Like, seriously, where does all the money go? And more importantly, why does it keep happening every single month? If that sounds familiar, you're not bad with money. You're not lazy, and you're definitely not alone. Millions of people are stuck in this exact same cycle. Work, get paid, spend, repeat. But here's the truth most people don't realize. It's not about how much money you make, it's about what you do with it the moment you receive it. Think about your last paycheck. Maybe you told yourself, this time I'll be smarter. I'll actually save something. But then life happens. Bills, groceries, subscriptions, random expenses. Maybe you even treat yourself a little because you worked hard, right? And before you know it, your balance is dropping faster than you expected. And saving money, that can wait until next month. Here's the real problem. Most people treat saving as an afterthought. They spend first and only save what's left. But let's be honest, there's almost never anything left. And that's exactly why the cycle never ends. No savings, more stress, no progress, repeat. So how do you break out of it? There's one simple principle that can completely change your financial life. Pay yourself first. It means that the moment your paycheck hits your account, you immediately take a percentage of it and move it somewhere else. Savings, investments, or paying off debt. Before bills, before spending, before anything else. And here's why this works so well. You stop relying on willpower. You're no longer hoping you'll have something left at the end of the month. Instead, saving becomes automatic. It becomes part of your system, not a decision you have to make every time. Let's make this practical. Start by choosing a percentage you can realistically handle. It could be 5%, 10%, or more. Then set up an automatic transfer so the money moves the same day you get paid. And most importantly, don't touch it. Treat that money like it doesn't exist. What's interesting is your mindset starts to shift. Instead of thinking, I have $1,000 to spend, you start thinking, I have $900 because the rest is already set aside. And you naturally adjust your lifestyle to fit that number. Now imagine doing this every single paycheck. At first it feels small, but over time it builds. You create savings, you reduce stress, you gain control. And for the first time, you're actually moving forward instead of standing still. Will this fix everything overnight? No. But will it completely change your relationship with money over time? Absolutely. Because consistency always beats intensity. So if you've been struggling to save, don't try to be perfect. Just start with one simple habit. Pay yourself first. And now I want to ask you, what percentage are you going to set aside from your next paycheck?
You can stand under my umbrella.